Hello friends, today I'll show you how to put not fold. Okay, we should help our moms. Okay, if they work only themselves, if you only play self, they will they will not get feel happy at all. You should help. What if you're folding if you put dirty things, everything. Now this is my shirt. It only fits to me. I'll show you. First we will have to put it, and we have to just, if your mama does ironing, no, like that with our hands, we have to do, okay? So it would be a little freed. It has a brown face, everything, no? Everything is brown. Now do you see? Wait, I'll show you. You people don't have to lift it in videos at all. After you're done, you can show. I'll just show you. See? Okay. How much you want, you can do. Alright. Now we fold them. And again do like things that we do. Then again fold. Again do. Again do. Now, I'm all done. Now, I will show you how to do slips. This is only my slip. Without shimmy, I don't. Look, this is my shimmy. Yes, I don't wear dress without my shimmy, okay? This is the place for hands, and here comes our body. Okay. I've done this is like a rabbit's ears. We can do same way we did our shirt. We can keep it. These are my leggings. See, wow, it's created with flowers. Only the way that I do it. Okay. This is really good. Now my daddy and mommy teach me this, but the shirt myself. Okay, I did. Okay, I'm all done. Keep. I only have 2 leggings. Oh, this no leggings. Again, do like ironing. Put the ears and fold. Look, it's a baby. This is the real. This must be the mama, and the purple one must be the papa, and the little one must be the baby. Yes, no. My friends are really smiling, no? I can see Litisha. This is not candy, yeah. This is things that we fold. Well, I'm all done. Look. Okay, bye. Remember what I said. Bye.